Here comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand-washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has two powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.
Good morning.
Hey girls.
Whoa, you don't want to know?
Remember the one without the pedals? Gonna go to the pool. All right, let's go, girls.
Introducing Bee. Bee is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters, and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented Bee Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. Bee empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of a grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush, and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every Bee comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented Bee Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience brushing with Bee.
Today, most of us spend too much time indoors and glued to one screen or another. The result is a growing population with poor or degrading eyesight. More children are suffering from nearsightedness than ever before, impacting their happiness and their ability to learn. Now, there's an easy, fun way for you to take control of your family's vision health. With IQ Insight, you can test visual acuity or how close to 20/20 your vision is anywhere, anytime. Rather than waiting for an annual exam or your child's next school screening, you can test your family's eyes and monitor vision changes in real time from the comfort and convenience of your home. To get started, launch the MyIQ app. Next, sign into your family member's individual profile. Attach the Insight goggles to your smartphone. The Insight test is gamified and fun for the whole family. Your child just follows the on-screen prompts.
Hey, look in the goggles. Can you see me? Hello out there.
And in a couple of minutes, you'll know who's seeing clearly or whose vision may need to be corrected with eyeglasses. You can also test how well your current glasses are performing. And kids loved Seymour, the animated host, and his rewards.
And now, your new sticker. Let's take a look.
Insight test results are automatically captured and stored in the secure IQ Cloud, so you can access your account from anywhere. This makes it easy to track changes in your family's vision and share that information with your eye doctor. IQ Insight, the most accurate 20/20 visual acuity test on your smartphone. A great way to make vision care a priority for you and your family.